Hey guys, Foral the Feraligator here, and I'm back again for the year 2015. This time I have a blind bag day for you guys. I know I haven't really posted anything as far as blind bags and blind bag scenario. Um, so I literally just got back home from going to a local 7-Eleven near me, and they had blind bags and miscellaneous merchandise for all items on a shelf for $2. So I looked through and picked some stuff that I wanted. Like for example, I got a Funko Pop vinyl hook thing from How to Train Your Dragons 2. So that is pretty cool. And while I was there, I got these How to Train Your Dragon 2 mystery minis, blind containers. And I figured I'd open up this for you and see what I get. I got two, and in one I got this Stormfly, I believe his name is. I'm not sure. If anyone knows, help me out. Alright. Let me tip him over here. And for the options, rather, we have Hiccup, Toothless, Astrid, Hook Fang. I want a Hook Fang. That would be cool. That way I could have a baby Hook Fang. Another Hiccup without sword, I assume. Toothless, Belch, and Barf, I believe. Stormfly that I got. Toothless, this weird dragon guy. Meat Lug, and a mystery. I'm assuming it's going to be Toothless because he's kind of the main character. So yeah, let me get this free from the plastic prison. Yay, now it's free, and we have a better view of the Toothless, or not Toothless, but Hiccup, once my camera focuses. Any minute now. Anyway, so let's get cracking and see what I get. If I do get a Stormfly, I will be putting it for trades. And I got a pretty big big bag for a small item. I'm going to give it a feel. I don't know who it is. And let me see if I need scissors. I'm going to have to. So I have scissors. I would like to remind everyone that I am not a trained professional, so don't try this at home. And the mystery mini is a really cool Toothless. Or not Toothless, but a really cool Hiccup. Sorry guys, I had a hiccup of my own. This one, he has a sword, so I'm assuming it's like that common or whatever. But he is pretty cool. Like the styling is really different from being a pop vinyl. So let me see if I can put him here next to Stormfly. I'm gonna move my camera. So yeah, not bad as far as a blind bag goes. And anyway, guys, I am Foral. You guys have been fantastic. I will catch you all later on. Yeah, there's the signature, like, ta-da, thumb. But yeah, I will see you all later on. Again, bye guys.